Hey, so today I'm going to make a video correcting misinformation that I've posted on my streams. So I learned recently that lambdas are not as laggy as I thought. Initially that exists, but I think my testing methodology was wrong, and I realized this from explanation from others and eventually finding out myself. So here we'll just run a baseline for what this is. This is just 100 integers in a list with 1 millisecond of processing time, or basically CPU sleeping, which this has the same effect of just 1 millisecond of processing for our purposes, so it's consistent. So now that we have this is our baseline. Should be about 125 to 140 roughly, so that's what it should be. So now let's go ahead and do a Lambda stream, and then we will run this. And so as we can see here, there is a considerable amount of overhead the first time, and then the second time it's 138. So about what it should be, like what we got with our for loop. Now let's run this in a parallel stream. I have a 8-core 16-thread CPU, so the number that you'll get might be a bit different, but yeah, that's it. Now let's run this. Okay, so as we see with this parallel stream, 85 milliseconds of overhead, and then here you have the actual processing time. This may vary depending on your CPU. Again, I have an 8-core 16-thread CPU. Okay, so I also probably should add to the video something different. So basically, a buddy of mine, Matt, pointed out it could be possible that Java, the JVM is actually caching this, and so if the data were to change, the data, it would just be as laggy. So for example, in a real-world situation where things are being written in red as differently in an array list and not going to be always constant, that's where it could be laggy. So we're going to go ahead and try this out now and see if the data changes. So as you can see, it is back to normal. In fact, it might even be faster. So now, because what we are doing is we're clearing the list, and now we're re-adding everything from 100 to 0 instead of 0 to 100. And we'll try that again. So, in fact, it is actually looking faster. Isn't that funny? It's looking faster than it was before. Strange. Alright. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I really apologize for spreading misinformation. So yeah, see you later.